Hello guys, this is Dominic, and today I'm gonna make a test for this. See the box. This is Lancet, and this is the COVID-19 quick detection kit. And today I'm gonna test it. Okay, let's do it. Gonna open this. Sealed. Okay. See, we got this is a 25 package. One of it. Diluent. This is the one you finished your drop the blood, then drop 2 or 3 of these. Let's see it. You see, it shows how to do these things. This box have 25 strips. Okay, see, this is said this is a SARS-CoV-2 Antibody Test Strip, 1 strip per pack. Okay, and you see this. This is the test method. It's different with the PCR. This will be more quick. You can get a result within 15 minutes. Okay, when you open this, you should finish the test within 10 minutes. Okay, let you see this more clearly. Okay, put it here. Clean your hand. And this is the Lancet. The name is the press activated safety Lancet. It's just a needle, I think. Okay. You see, this is one package with 50 pieces needle. Okay, I get one of these. You use this to take your blood. Inside is a needle. Okay, I'll try it. Ah! Ooh! Ah, this hurt! Ah! Ooh! You see, it really hurt. Oh! It's spring inside of here. I put here stuff. Ooh! Ooh! Not enough. Okay, need enough. Not enough. Oh, I don't want to do it again, you know. You see, this is 10. This is a 10 μl. Okay, then we put it into here. You can see that, right? Oh, it's hard. What happened? I should do it vertically, right? Yeah, vertically. Okay, all up into, and then it's hard. then we have to 2 or 3, 1, 2. Okay, I'll give it 3. Okay, I give it 3. There's 3 of them. Okay, let's focus on this. Okay, we focus on these things. And after the instruction said after 10, still bleeding. See? Oh my God. That's hurt. See that? This is diluent. Okay. This one, this 2 and 3 job is just to make this result, make it more accuracy. Okay, now it's I forgot to record the time. Okay, wait sometimes and wait for the result. It really hurt. See that? Okay. You see this? This is the control. This C part is control area, and the T part is the test result. If I got 2, that I get infected. So I'm safe. You see. The time is, the result, the test result is 15 minutes to 20 minutes. The result out the 20 minutes is not accuracy. Okay, see you. You can test it by yourself, and you can buy it online on our website. Okay, see you.